Hello and good morning, sixth grade. Happy Thursday, or as some like to call it, pre Friday. Um, Miss Garcia here, ready to go over your daily schedule for today. All right, so I'm going to jump right in here to objectives. Again, pause the video, take a moment to read through the objectives if you need to. Um, Continue to respond to the reading that you've been doing, whether it's through your library books that you got here at school before the school shut down, or you have some of your own library books. I know some of you are also taking advantage of the public library online system, and remember that you can continue to read those books and take AR quizzes on them as well. Read and reflect on innovations through our ReadWorks website. And we're going to look at reviewing math and continuing with your novel engineering project, as well as your ancient China compare contrast essay. So I have here your planner and what it should look like for today, Thursday, April the 2nd. So make sure you get all of those written down, pause the video if you need to. And then I've also included here on the side the list from last week. So um, you probably don't need to go back to Wednesday or Tuesday's video in order to see that list. All right. So a lot is going to be due tomorrow. So you want to make sure that you are on track with everything. So reading response, whether it is paper version or digital version, I'm looking for those. Please make sure that you get that done. It is due tomorrow. And remember that you are also taking AR quizzes on those books as you finish them. I mentioned on our Google Meet this morning to the students who showed up that I am looking when I look up your AR quizzes, I'm looking that you took an AR quiz on A Long Walk to Water. I am looking that you take an AR quiz on 2 additional books. You should have at least 2 more. I love that I've been seeing some of you have even more than that, but 2 more because you should have checked out at least 2 other books from the school library before school shut down. ReadWorks Innovation article set. You are looking at the 4th article, whatever 4th article that is. You have the choice each day. Remember, you're not reading the same article every day, although you are welcome to go back and reread. You are reading a new article each day from that innovation set. Okay, and make sure to take those notes on the book of knowledge. That is where your score in the reading section for this assignment is going to come from. It's going to come from that book of knowledge and how much information you're able to um, understand from those articles. Okay. Something that is due today is your unit for review and practice. So there, I believe, are 18 questions, 18 problems, reviewing 4.1 all the way to 4.4. So looking at area of parallelograms, area formula for triangles, area for trapezoids, area of circles, and then area of all those polygons except for circles on a coordinate plane. So being able to plot them on a coordinate plane, and then also being able to count the lengths of the sides that you need in order to find the area or perimeter. You could also find the perimeter by adding up all the sides of each figure. Okay. Also due tomorrow is your ancient China and ancient blank comparison essay. So again, you have that choice between comparing ancient China to ancient India, ancient Mesopotamia, ancient Egypt, or ancient Greece. And all of those links and resources are still in our social studies section of Google Classroom. So if you need some more information that you don't have in your binder, you are welcome to go look through 1 or 2 of those articles on whatever other ancient civilization you choose to make sure that you are delivering accurate information. Please make sure that you continue to cite sources, so keep track of that as well. All right, long walk to water, your novel engineering project. You are continuing to build and to create a little prototype of whatever machine or tool or invention that you've created in order to solve a problem that either Naya or Salva had throughout the novel. Okay. And as it is Thursday, I would like you to jump on to Google Classroom for Mrs. Schroed's PE and take a look, do some of those assignments, some of those videos, some of those exercises to get your brain moving. You can do it first thing this morning, like you normally would for Thursday morning for PE, or if you have more time in the afternoon, that's fine as well. So make sure you get on there and you check in. Mrs. Schroed is checking in every single day, multiple times, to see, who's jumping on, who's, maybe responding or replying. I know she's got some assignments on there as well. So please make sure you check that out. Okay. Our typical May do's. Remember, Reflex, I love it. Dreambox, I love it. But they are May do's after your must do's. Okay. And finish your day off today with a response to our closure prompt. So please make sure that you do that as well. Okay. Our Flipgrid today is very, very short. If you haven't had a chance to look at it yet, make sure that you do so and that you hop on. I did not receive any challenges from anybody. So because of that, I don't have a challenge to do. But hop on the Flipgrid for any additional instructions. I miss all of your faces. And remember that I have our Google Meet today from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Hop on for as long as you need. Ask questions, say hi. The group yesterday was doing a great job just chit-chatting back and forth, which I know a lot of you guys need a little bit of today as well, okay? All right, so keep working, keep doing wonderful, keep being awesome, and I will